Have you ever woken up feeling like your skin is more exhausted than you are? That luxurious silk pillowcase you cherish might be hiding a shocking truth. It could be a breeding ground for bacteria. While you think you're indulging in a skin-saving ritual, you might actually be setting yourself up for breakouts and irritation. You might say for you. Every night, your skin sheds dead cells, oils, and sweat, and those silk fibers cling to it all. Imagine waking up to an unexpected pimple and realizing the real culprit is right beneath your head. It's easy to blame stress or late-night snacks, but could your pillowcase be the hidden danger? And it don't stop there. Those bacteria can spread to your hair and scalp too. Have you noticed extra stray hairs on your pillow? Just think about the mix of oil, sweat, and germs partying on your scalp all night long. Is this really the beauty sleep you deserve? Before you toss that pillowcase in frustration, remember that washing it regularly is a small effort for healthier skin. Wouldn't you prefer spending a few extra minutes doing laundry over waking up to a skin crisis? Your silk pillowcase can either be a sanctuary for your skin or a trap, so make sure you're not ignoring these warning signs. Many people see silk pillowcases as the ultimate beauty secret, promising smoother skin and better hair. However, if you're not careful, that soft fabric could become your skin's worst enemy. Imagine this: after a long day, you sink into that silky softness, feeling like royalty, only to wake up with little breakouts or irritation. It's easy to blame stress or a new skincare product, but what if the real culprit is your pillowcase? Silk feels soft and luxurious, but it also tends to trap moisture, creating a damp environment that's perfect for bacteria. You might think washing it regularly is enough, but are you really cleaning it the right way? If your pillowcase has been washed in weeks, all that dirt, oil, and sweat is just waiting to come into contact with your skin. While silk can absorb some of your skin's natural oils, it does so beneficially. That oil can mix with bacteria, leading to clogged pores and unwanted breakouts.